Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best bed liner paint on Amazon. Bed liner paints provide a durable and long-lasting coating that enhances the appearance and resilience of your vehicle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Hercoliner Brush on Bed Liner Kit. The Hercoliner systems are a favorite among D'ers. One look is all you need to understand why. This kit comes with 1 gallon of liner, which doesn't require any hardener for application. It also comes with a roller for broad areas and a brush to reach into tight spaces. Of course, an added benefit of using a roll-on system is total control, as you don't have to worry about overspray. This kit also includes an abrasive pad to help prep the surface. You need to invest in some materials to apply the paint and prepare the surface, but this kit takes care of most essential pieces. The liner itself is a protective anti-skid layer that you can use on the bed, other portions of the vehicle, and even different surfaces entirely outside of that spectrum. Number 2. RustOleum Automotive Truck Bed Coating. Yes, we're talking about another roll-on option. You must know about as many options as possible and how they differ from the others. What separates this product from the crowd is that you can grab this in either black or clear. While clear isn't exactly popular, it's an excellent option if you're not looking to alter the existing color scheme of your vehicle. It's also worth noting that you can invest in a quart or a gallon. That said, either is priced much lower than much of the competition. As if that's not enough, it dries very quickly. It's dry to the touch an hour or 2 after the application. Overall, this product is excellent for the price. It's easy to apply, and the results are respectable. Number 3. U-POL Products Raptor Tintable Truck Bed Liner Kit. Most bed liners can be applied to a variety of surfaces, as this product does. While that's an advantageous characteristic, that's not why we award it with the most versatile title. It's because this version is tintable. It's white, which allows you to add pigment to make it virtually any other color that you want. If you're ready to apply a liner layer to the entire vehicle, this is the way to go, that is, unless you're okay with a simple black coating. Don't worry, though. The ability to color this liner in no way reduces its effectiveness. It's still an ultra-tough layer of protection regardless of the pigment. We should also note that you can brush it on or run it through a gun, making it even more versatile. The price isn't for the faint of heart. It's a great product that offers outstanding results that you'll pay for. Throw in the added cost of pigment, and you're sure to have one of the most expensive gallons of bed liner available to you. Number 4. U-POL Raptor Black Urethane Spray on Truck Bed Liner Kit. If you want a spray-on system, this might as well be the kit you go with. First off, the quality of the liner is fantastic. It looks great, offers superior protection, and is seemingly effortless to apply. What makes the system so easy to use is the gun that comes with it. It's designed to screw onto the bottles of liner paint, so all you need to do is add the hardener, shake it up, and attach it to the gun. From there, you can spray it right on with no need to fill a hopper and burn through liners. This kit also includes more than enough liner to add protection to beds of pretty much any size. It's only a few bottles short of what you'll need to cover an entire passenger truck. Number 5. AL's Liner Spray on Truck Bed Liner Kit. Here's another excellent option for someone looking for a spray-in liner. This is truly a professional-level product. It doesn't just come as a simple can of the liner. It has 3 components that come together to make for a top-quality result that you'd expect from a professional shop. It even has an adhesion promoter to ensure it sticks to the surface like nails. The liner you'll get with this is super resilient, too. Not only does it fare well against impacts and other similar threats, but it also stands up exceedingly well against UV rays and harsh chemicals. In short, once it's on for good. This kit's nature lends itself to more patient or skilled painters. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.